Hello my friend, nice to see you again. Today, we will study how to make a key copy Hu66 by 2M2Tank CNC key cutting machine. Hu66 is a common key for Volkswagen. Enter cut by bidding. From searching bar, directly search Hu66. The first option is what we need. There are two options here. First is common Hu66, and the material is metal. The second is plastic key. We'll get a common key right now, so we choose the first one. Go on selecting the first one. Here is animation of instruction. Please watch it carefully before fixing the key. Pay attention. There is a shoulder on the key. Put the shoulder against the edge of the clamp. Click continue after finishing. Here, we have to look for the menu, identify. Click continue. At this step, the machine is getting key beatings. The key beating is ready. 422-1-3424. Same way, pay attention to the shoulder of the key. Finally, cut this key. Because the time is limited, I make the video fast. We compare this with the original key. And then try to turn the lock. Perfect cutting.